Alright, this is basically trying to make you understand properly variables and make you understand properly what variables are and what a form is and how it works. Basically, we've got a simple form, really simple. It says name, last name, time, city, and planet, which says those characters represent these characters. And then after that we've got box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4, box 5. You can name these boxes whatever you want, okay? And then we just said echo post box 1 and post box 2. So whatever you type is going to be posted at the bottom, okay? This is method post. So we got post because it's in method post there. And clear what we do, clear what it does. I'll just click save, refresh. So basically, you need to type some characters. Okay, so we're gonna type some characters like water, and then melon, and then 1030. And then city, London, and then planet Earth, and then click submit. It's going to appear at the bottom because we told you appear at the bottom. But if you want to become more fancy, if you want to become the kind of person who's more fancy, what you're going to be doing is we'll try another method, which is basically concatenating. So we bring that here, okay. And we'll see it now. We'll save that. Let's type it again. Water, melon, 1030. City, London, Earth. And there we click submit. It's still gonna work. That's because that full stop does something called concatenate. Concatenate. Okay, basically we're joining these. We're joining these all with the full stop. All right. So we're gonna join more with the full stop. We're gonna join more with the full stop. We're gonna join more with the full stop. And then another full stop again, and then we just push that there. And then remove that over there and put a full stop in here, and make sure you delete these columns because you don't need them. You put them at the end, okay? Click save. Oh, I think you need them. Yeah, you do need them. I think you do need them. So you do need them. Save it now. So I forgot to save. Line 15. Oh, these ones, alright. Okay, that's the problem now. I think you take off these columns. Yeah, it's starting to work. Okay, so basically we use full stops. And make sure that you leave this at the end, just at the end. Okay. Now, with variables, you can do other methods. For example, you can say I want a variable called name, and I want it to be equal to post box 1. Okay. And then after that, if I say to you, for example, echo name, I'll do that, save, echo name, and I save it. Let's take that all off. Basically, we're going to put that inside something, a variable called name. This is the value, and this variable name holds this value. Okay, so we're going to type see if it works. We're going to type anything and then we click submit. Okay, another problem. Oh, basically we forgot to put that sign. We forgot to put this sign, that sign. Alright, you see how important that is? Click refresh, should pop up. Alright, we type a name, for example, Ocean XYZ. You click submit, it is going to come there because this variable has a value of that value, and this has a value of what you type there, and this variable holds this value. Okay, so it's easy as that. And you can go even deeper. For example, you can say name ABC equals to name, and after that we can say, for example, echo name ABC. If we click save, we save that, then we did again, we type anything else like vegetables, then we save it here. It's going to pop up because basically he is inside here, and then when he's holding this value, name ABC is holding value name A, and then name A is holding this value, but at the end of the day they all hold the same value, and name ABC is just going to print echo out what you write over there. But if we go on bigger projects, now this is the interesting bit, okay? If we go on bigger projects, like for example, not like really big stuff, not big stuff, but if we kind of go over here, not that one, if we go on register, open with subprime text, you're going to see that we're actually using, every time you see that $, we're actually using the variable. So in this code, for example, in this code, you know, when I was saying post name, it's gonna hold this value, and then post last name is gonna hold this value, and again we got the names from there, and we're saying that, you know, as I said again, we're gonna take the values that you put over here. So localhost register.php. Oh, I forgot the R. Alright. Yeah, so we're using that. So for example, if you type, for example, as I said again, Ocean XYZ, name is water, your age is 22, email, gmail, whatever.com. It's fine if you, alright, we have to spell it just correct. AAA, gmail.com, password, box 909, website 909.com. We click submit, and basically, remember what I told you about the variables just few seconds ago. We put these variables which hold the post, we put them in here. So inside name, last name, I'll show you now. We click go. If you look, we actually put the AA, just the last few seconds, we put the password inside. Remember the website 909.com, box 909, AA, Gmail, we just put it inside over here, and